The church was built like a big cross, and the corners were added later. And once again, you see that old original stonework, roughly hewn stones, about 2 meters thick. It gets smaller as it goes up, and in the center of it, in that Romanic half-round window, you find the Piper glass window. It's an artwork by a man named Klaus Zimmer. And just like the old original glass window, it shows a lot of colors, it shows a lot of children, but there are no rats, because the rats are a fairy tale. It's also true the church hated me. They hate me up until this very day. And it doesn't take long. I'm standing here doing my guided tour. They turn the damn bells on and no one can hear me. And then, around that big glass window, they used to have a big long warning, "Don't follow the Piper or you will rot in hell." But it gets worse. The church used to be the government. There was no elected government, there was only the church. The kings were in the church, and the dukes and the aristocrats, and little girls didn't go to school, only little boys. And then only the little boys of aristocracy. Mr. Fun this and Mr. Tsu that. And the Funs and the Tsus, they had a monopoly on education and information. They didn't want anyone else to have any, otherwise everyone would notice they were just as stupid as everyone else. But they continued their education at universities, and they come back as theologians, as the learned in the subject of faith and religion. And the theologians of this time period, here in the repository of intelligence and education, they write big, thick books that you can still read in the Hameln Museum today. And in the big, thick books, it says, "I am the devil incarnate." Which is why we leave the church and go this way.